Well, this video is a continuous of my last video. So if you don't know how to create a table, how to insert the data into tables, I'll request you to go and watch my last video where I have teach how to create the table, how to insert the data into table, and then come back to this video. So in this video, I'm going to use modify these tables, and I'm going to teach you how to modify the table, how to add the new column, and how to insert the data into new columns. And so let's start. So I'm going to write a comment first. So writing the comment, you need to hyphen in the table. Okay. So now what I'm going to do that, I'm going to modify this table while adding one more columns in this table. So, okay. So I'm going to add a column is called manager, and I'll be assigning some manager's name into employee voice. So this is I'm going to do that in here. So later on I'll be doing some interview question which widely asking interview, and that will be not for a beginner. It will be for moderate level SQL developer. So let's start. So we'll use the alter command. So alter command is used to modify the table. Okay, so this alter and then table name. We'll put the table is called employee. Okay, and then employees. And then what we're going to do that? I'm going to add, right? Add manager name. Okay, and what am I going to do that? I'm assigning the vark here. Vark here is nothing but I'm assigning the physical memory. Okay, for this manager name, let's suppose 50. I'm assigning. Okay, now I'm going to execute. So this is affected and it's saying a column has been created. So how do you check then? So do select start from then run it. Yes, see one manager name column is created. Now what I'm going to do that, I'm going to assign some manager name in respect of employee ID. Okay, so definitely in every organization have employee reporting to some manager or assistant director or director, right? So I'm going to assign and every employee of one manager name. Okay, or else every employee should be or else department wise manager name. Okay, so now I'm going to do that. I'm going to update. Update is the command where we update employee manager name. Okay. So I'm going to do update, and in update in where employee, right? employ employee, and then put employees, right? I think this is a correct one. Let employee. Okay. Let's check it. Employee, and then we'll use set. Set is a command. Mager manager name, and we'll set for H on H M I T H. So this is a string, so it should be in double quotation or single quotation. Okay, then we'll run it. So once you run it, it got affected. It means the manager name has been assigned. So let's check it assigned or not. So already for every employee have one manager here, right? But my question is that or not to assign one manager, right? So my question was that to assign every department one manager. So we'll do in use of case statement, but before that, just learn how to update the manager name of every employee. So let's suppose we'll get questions. So how update the every employee of one manager? Then how are we going to do that? The same way we go update and do a one-to-one manually. Okay. So we do update. Simple. What we do here, we'll copy this one and we'll paste it here and we'll change it here. Set manager name. We'll do here set manager name John. Where we'll put where employee ID, right? So where EMP ID is equal to, let's suppose 101. I want to put different manager, right? Okay. So my case, yeah, but I want here name is not Smith only. Okay. So let's see it's work or not. Sorry, is got affected, and let me check is got updated or not. Yes, got updated. Okay. But see, while doing a hard coding, it will take a lot of time. Every time what I'm going to do that, every time what will go to do that, will again copy and then paste, copy and paste, and changing the manager name, right? So this time let's Indra and Ravi, and let's say this time Kumar. Okay. So then here change the two, here change the three, here change the four. So this way, if you do like this way, it will take a lot of time, right? And execute this one. Affected, right? So now every manager have every employee have every manager. But my question was to assign the manager name of department wise, right? And even we do same way, but it will work, but not quite helpful for us, for the long coding, or for the complex coding, or for the big coding. So how can we optimize our code in smart way so it will not take memory and not become a larger code? Okay. So we can check in alternate way that is called case statement. Okay. Case statement. So with the help of case statement, we can insert smartly. So how we do that? So we'll use the update employee, and now I'm using set manager name, right? Set manager name is equal to, okay, now putting a case. Case means every employee, I'm categorized one. Every department have employee, right? According to that, I'm assigning the manager. So case CASC, case DEPT, yeah, department name, when, not where, when, when department name is admin, okay, department name is admin, this one, DAMIN. When department name is admin, then what should be the manager name? Then manager name should be a Kumar, okay. Here put in capital letter. Then manager name should be Kumar, okay. Same way, we can do copy this one and put it. And here put the HR here put the Ravi, here put the finance, 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 and here put the Ranjan. This way, okay. So we can execute in smartly way this way. And then, if it is the correct, if it is not a correct way, okay. Now found then with else unassigned, right? Let's suppose apart from that, any more employee there will put unassigned means manager is not assigned. Un A double H I G N O D unassigned and end of the loop. Okay, let me execute this one. Affected, and then call the employee. Select start from employee. Execute this one. Okay. So now see, department wise, we have manager, right? Admin department, we have Kumar. HR department, we have Ravi. And but IT department, we have not assigned manager as of now. And then Ranjan has finance department. So in this way, we can modify our table. Okay.